Hey, it's your boy Solo. Will changing your DNS to 1.1.1.1 make your internet faster? The short answer is yes. If you want to test this for yourself, I'll be going over how to do this step by step. Anyone can do this before I waste any more time. Let's jump into it. Alright, the first thing that we're going to need to do to change our DNS is to locate where to find it and how to change it. So what we're going to do here is go down to the Windows logo down here or hit the Windows key on your keyboard and it'll bring up all of these here settings and options for you. What we're going to do is one above where you power on is going to be the settings. We're going to click that. Once this here is in the settings, we can go over here to network and internet. From here it's pretty basic. We don't want anything in here except for this here change adapter options. This will bring us to a page that's just a little easier to get to where we need to be. Alright, once that brings this here up, you can right click this, go to properties, or you can click on it and select change settings of this connection. This is the one I prefer. Okay, once in here, there's going to be the Internet Protocol version 4. And if you, depending on your internet, you may have the Internet Protocol version 6. You can't change that. It's not the same DNS. The DNSs for Protocol 6 are completely different, so you can't use it for that. You can only change the Internet Protocol for version 4. So what we want to do is click on it and go to properties. Okay, usually when you come into here, it'll say obtain DNS server address automatically. This is what will be clicked on yours by default. All you need to do is click on use the following DNS server addresses, and the preferred server is the one we're going to change to 1.1.1.1. Now there's a secondary option, this alternate DNS. We want to make sure that we put this here 1.0.0.1. That's just the backup, just in case this one here is not quite working. I'm pretty sure this is just the fallback, so if you have any issues, this will still be pretty fast. Now, this is something that will add a little bit of less latency, and why it'll add less latency is because it's just less congested. This DNS server 1.1.1.1 is just a lot less used and a lot less traffic on it than other DNSs that are used. So the one you use by default is most likely the most congested DNS. So that, therefore, you would have latency opening up web pages, connecting to things, because there's hundreds and hundreds and millions of people using the same one. So this one here actually has a little bit less latency. You can test it for yourself. That's why I'm putting this here video up, is so you can check it out for yourself. If you're having problems with latency or having problems with connections or feel like it's not quite responding as fast as it should be, try changing your DNS. It doesn't harm nothing. If you have any problems after you change it, all you have to do is obtain your DNS server automatically, and that will undo all of the things that you did. It's just that easy. So why not try it? You have nothing to lose at all. All you have to do to fix it is just obtain the DNS server automatically, and bam, you're all fixed. So once you get it changed though, make sure you do click on OK and apply the settings. Make sure they're applied, double check. Everything's good to go. And then what I would do is go and check to see if your latency is changed, if your internet's responding better, and I don't know, leave something down in the comments below how this here worked for you and your experience with changing your DNS. I would love to hear everyone's input on it. If you think I left something out, definitely leave a comment below as well. But if you like or found this here video helpful, hit the thumbs up and get subscribed for more content. Thanks for watching, guys.